Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. Now we will see trigonometry exercise number 6.3. First sum, from the top of a rock 50√3 meters high, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30 degrees. Find the distance of the car from the rock. Now we will draw the diagram. From the top of a rock of 50√3 meters high, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30 degrees. So you have a car here. Find the distance of the car from the rock. So, we need to find what is BC. Now, since the angle of depression here is 30 degrees, so here we will take 30 degrees. Now, you want to find the adjacent, you have opposite. So, what angle you will take? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So, tan 30 degrees is equal to 50√3 divided by BC. Now, what is tan 30 degrees value? 1 by √3. 1 by √3 is equal to 50√3 divided by BC. So, BC is equal to 50√3 into √3. This √3 will come here, which is equal to 50 into √3 into √3 becomes 3. So, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 1 5. So, 150 meters. So, the distance between the rock and the car is 150 meters. Now, exercise number 6.3, second sum. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degrees. If the height of the second building is 120 meters, find the height of the first building. Now, we will draw the diagram. The horizontal distance between the two buildings is 70 meters. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 45 degrees. If the height of the second building is 120 meters, find the height of the first building. So, this is equal to 1. Now, we will name everything. I am drawing a parallel line here. So, if this is 70 meters, this is also going to be 70 meters. A, B, C, D, E. Now, we need to find AD is equal to what? We have CB is equal to 120 meters. So, now we need to find EB. EB is equal to AD. So, I will keep this as X and this as 120 minus X. Now, we will take the triangle DEC. So, the distance between DE is 70 meters and here it is X. So, since this is 45 degrees, here also you will have 45 degrees. Now, you have theta, adjacent and you need the opposite. So, I am taking tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So, tan 45 degrees is equal to x by 70. Tan 45 value is 1. 1 is equal to x by 70. X is equal to 70 meters. So, the length of CE is 70 meters. Now, EB is equal to 120 minus x. So, 120 minus 70, which is equal to 50 meters. So, the length of the height of the first building is 50 meters. Next, third sum. From the top of the tower 60 meter high, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamp post are observed to be 38 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the lamp post. They have given tan 38 degrees is equal to 0.7813 and root 3 value is 1.732. Now we will draw the diagram for the sum. From the top of the tower 60 meters high. So the top of the tower 60 meter high. The angle of depression of top and bottom of a vertical lamp post are 38 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the lamp post. So we need to find the height of the lamp post. Now we will name this A, B, C, D. So we need to find CD is equal to what? Now they have given the length of the AB is 60 meters. So I am taking x here and this is 60 minus x. Now you have 38 degrees here, so here 38 degrees, here 60 degrees, so here you will write 60 degrees. Now we will take this as two triangles. First triangle AED, 38 degrees here, x here, this distance you don't have. Then we take triangle ABC. Here you have 60 degrees, here 60 meters, and we will find BC and substitute that value of BC is equal to ED here and find the value of x, and 60 minus x will give you the EB value, which is equal to CD value. Now we will proceed on with the sum. We will take this triangle first ABC and find the adjacent value BC. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 degrees is equal to 60 by BC. Tan 60 is root 3. Now BC is equal to 60 divided by root 3. So multiplying and dividing by the conjugate, 60 root 3 divided by root 3, which is equal to 60 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now on cancelling, 20 root 3. So BC is equal to 20 root 3 meters. So BC is equal to ED. Here I have got 20 root 3 meters. Now take same tan theta. Tan 38 degrees is equal to AE, opposite by adjacent. ED is 20 root 3. So AE we have kept it as x. So we need to find the value of x. Now tan 38 degrees value is 0.7813 is equal to x by 20 root 3. Now the value of x is equal to 20 into root 3 value is 1.732 into 0.7813. Now we will multiply 1.732 into 20. So this 0, we will put a 0 here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1s are 2, 3. Now after 3 digits you will keep a point into 0.7813. 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 19, 3 4s are 12, 13, 3s are 9, 10. 1, 0, 4, 6, 4, 3. It's 2 stars. 8 zeros are 0, 8 4s are 32, 8 6 are 48, 9 50, 51, 8 4s are 32, 34, 33, 36, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27. As here, 7 zeros are 0, 7 4s are 28, 7 6 are 42, 3 44, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. Now after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 digits keep the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is equal to 27.05 meters. We have got x is equal to 27.05 meters. So we need CD, which is equal to EB is equal to 16 minus x. So we will do 16 minus 27.05. So 16 minus 27.05. .95 meters. So the length of the vertical lamppost is 32.95 meters. Now we will see fourth sum in exercise number 6.3. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meters finds that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angles of depression of the boats as observed from the aeroplane are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the two boats. And they have given you the root 3 value 1.732. Now we will draw the diagram. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meters. So here you can see the aeroplane. 1800 meters altitude. Finds that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. So the two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angles of depressions of the boats are observed from given as 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Find the distance between the two boards. So they are asking you to find the distance between the two boards. So we will name it now A, B, C, D. Now we want DC is equal to what? So this distance is 1800 meters. Now since this is 30 degrees, here it is going to be 30 degrees and here it is going to be 60 degrees. Now split and take it as two triangles. A, B, D. 60 degrees. Here you have 1800. A, B, C. So here 1800, here you have 30. Now we will find BC and BD. Now BC minus BD will give you DC. First we are going to find BD. Take tan theta because we have opposite and we need adjacent. So tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now tan 60 degree value is √3. Now BD is equal to 1800 divided by √3. Now since we have √3 in the denominator, we are going to multiply and divide by the conjugate. So we get 1800 √3 divided by √3 into √3 is 3. On cancelling, 3 6 are 18, 600. So we get 600 √3 meters. The value of BD is 600 √3. Now we are going to find DC value. So similarly here, tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now tan 30 value is 1 by √3. Now BC is equal to 1800 √3 meters. So BC value is 1800 into √3 meters. We need the distance between the two boards, that is DC. DC is equal to BC minus BD, which is equal to 1800 √3 minus 600 √3. If you take √3 common out, you will get 1800 minus 600. So √3 into 1200. √3 value is 1.732 into 1200. Now we will divide these two values. So here we have two zeros. So I am taking those two zeros here now. Or I will put these two zeros at the end. So I am removing it now. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 3. Next, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 7, 1. 4, 6, 7. Now, you have 1200 here. So, I am putting those two zeros now. So, to avoid the confusion, I am putting at the end. Now after 3 digits you have the point. So here we will have the point, which is equal to 2078.4 meters or 40 meters. So this is the answer. So the distance between the two boards is 2078.40 meters. Next fifth sum in exercise number 6.3. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be 30 degrees and 60 degrees. If the height of the lighthouse is h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, show that the distance between the ship is 4h by root 3 meters. Now we will draw the diagram. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So they have given on the opposite sides. So if the height of the lighthouse is h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse. So the line joining the ship passes through the foot of the lighthouse. Show that the distance between the ships is 4h by root 3 meters. First we will name this A, B, C and this point as O. Now I will split and take it as two triangles. Now I am going to take this as two triangles and I am going to find OB and OC and I am going to add and find whether it is equal to 4h by root 3 meters. O, A, C. So here you have 30 degrees, here you have H. Here you have 60 degrees. So now we need the adjacent. So we take tan theta. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite H by adjacent OB. Tan 60 degree value is root 3 by OB. So OB is equal to H by root 3. Now here we need to find OC. So tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite H by OC. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So now OC is equal to H root 3. Now the distance between the two ships is OB plus OC into BC. So now OB is H by root 3 plus H root 3. We will take LCM. So H plus H root 3 into root 3 is 3. So here it becomes 3H divided by root 3. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. So which is equal to 4H by root 3. Hence proved. So we have proved that the distance between the two ships is 4h by root 3 meters. Next sixth sum in exercise number 6.3. A lift in a building of height 90 feet with transparent glass walls is descending from the top of the building. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degrees. 2 minutes later, the angle of depression reduces to 30 degrees. If the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance of the lift, find the speed of the lift which is descending. Now we will draw the diagram. A lift in the building of height 90 feet with transparent glass walls is descending from the top of the building. At the top of the building, the angle of depression of a fountain in the garden is 60 degrees. 2 minutes later, the lift travelled to this place. From A point to B point it has travelled. And from here, the angle of depression of the fountain is 30 degrees. So the time taken to travel from A to B is 2 minutes. If the fountain is 30√3 feet from the entrance of the lift, then find the speed of the lift which is descending. So the speed of the lift is distance travelled by time taken. Now we know that the time taken is 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes the lift has travelled from A to B. So now we need to find the distance AB. So if we find the distance, then we can substitute here and we can find the speed of the lift. So using the given values, now we need to find AB. Now since this is 60 degrees, here it is going to be 60 degrees and this value is going to be 30 degrees. Now let us take this as two separate triangles, AB, CD. Now we will split it into two triangles and we will find the answer. Now we already have AC values equal to 90 feet. We need to find only BC value. So we will take triangle BCD. So CD is equal to 30√3 feet. And this be X. So I am keeping this as X. Here you have the angle 30 degrees. So now you need the opposite value. So you take tan theta. Tan 30 degrees is equal to X by 30√3. Now tan 30 is 1 by √3. X by 30√3. X is equal to, this 30√3 comes here. So 30√3 divided by √3. √3 and √3 gets cancelled. So 30 feet. So we have got X is equal to 30 feet. Now AB is equal to 90 minus X. So 90 minus 30, which is equal to 60 feet. So now we have got X as 30. So AB is 60. Now speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. The distance travelled is 60 feet and the time taken is 2 minutes. So now 30 feet per minute. So the speed of the lift is 30 feet per minute.